This tutorial is on shift and rotate instructions of 8086 microprocessor prepared by Vatsala BR, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, and Pratibha BS, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, NIE. We are from the remote center 1118. Let us start with the tutorial. We will be discussing today the shift and rotate instructions. The shift instructions in 8086 are SHL instruction, SHR, SAL and SAR instruction. The rotate instructions are ROL instructions, ROR instruction, RCL instruction and RCR instruction. Now let us see how these instructions work. First instruction is SHL instruction. Assume there is a bit of data in a particular register or memory. Let us suppose that there are 8 bits of data. Now if I use SHL instruction, the bits are shifted towards left and the leftmost bit goes to carry flag and the rightmost bit, that is LSB, is filled with 0. The format of shift left instruction is SHL destination, count. Count indicates how many times we want to shift. Suppose if I write SHL register, immediate 8. Then the contents of register 8 are shifted by the value that is there in immediate 8. Now let us see an application of SHL instruction which is used for fast multiplication. Now the key idea is shifting left one bit multiplies a number by 2. For example, suppose if I write move DL5, SHL DL, 1, we'll see what happens. Now before this, DL will be having 5. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, which is 5. Now after shift left DL, 1, this 1 can be taught as multiplying by 2 power 1. So 5 is multiplied by 2 power 1, giving value 10. So if I shift left it by 1 time, you observe the value, this value will be binary equivalent of 10. So that means shifting left n bits multiplies the operand by 2 power n. For example, let us suppose that we want to multiply 5 by 4. So this data 5 resides in register DL. Now I want to multiply it by 4. 4 can be represented as 2 power 2. So this power is 2. So if I shift right DL by 2, it means that I am multiplying it by 4. For example, move DL 5, shift left DL, 2, the content of DL becomes 20. Now in this category we have one more instruction, SHR instruction. This SHR instruction shifts the bits towards right, the rightmost bit goes to carry flag and the leftmost bit is filled with 0. Shifting right n bits divides the operand by 2 power n. This is an application. For example, if we want to divide content of a register by powers of 2, we can use it. Let us see that, say that DL contains 80. If I write shift right DL, 1, then content of DL is divided by 2 power 1. So 80 divided by 2 power 1 gives me 40. Similarly, if I again shift right DL by 2, 40 is divided by 2 power 2. So 10. Now there are other shift instructions by name SAL and SAR. These are called arithmetic instructions because their working is similar to logical, but only difference is the sign of the number is preserved. Now how SAL works is the bits are shifted towards left and LSB goes to carry flag as in SHL, but the rightmost bit value resides in the same place. That means sign of the number is preserved. For example, if DL is minus 80, if I do SAR DL, 1, DL becomes minus 40. See the difference in if I had used SHR instead of SAR, it would be 40. But now since it is SAR, it is minus 40, sign of the number is preserved. Now coming to rotate instructions. In rotate instructions, we have ROL instruction. The working of ROL instruction is the bits are rotated in this way, that is in the anti-clockwise way. Now here the bits are shifted towards left, leftmost bit goes to carry flag and the same leftmost bit goes to rightmost bit. For example, if AL is 11110000B, then rotate left AL, 1 will make the value of AL like this because these bits are shifted towards left and this bit will go to carry flag and so on. Now, similarly, we have ROR instruction. Here the bits are shifted towards right. The rightmost bit goes to carry flag and the same rightmost bit goes to LSB. For example, for the same previous data, if AL contains 11110000B, ROR AL, 1 makes AL 011110000B. And the application of these rotate instructions are to exchange the nibbles of particular register. For example, if DL is 3FH, ROR DL, 4 makes its value as F3. That means I am exchanging the nibbles of DL register. This can be one of the applications of rotate instruction. There are other instructions in rotate. They are RCL instruction. In RCL, the leftmost bit goes to carry flag and the carry flag value goes to rightmost bit position. For example, CLC, that means carry flag is cleared. Move BL 88H. When BL contains a value, carry flag is 0. Now RCL BL, 1. When I do RCL BL, 1, these bits are shifted towards left. If you observe, this bit will go to carry flag and the previous carry flag goes to here. Now we have RCR instruction. It is similar to RCL except that the direction of movement is towards right. The bits are shifted towards right. This particular rightmost bit will go to carry flag. Carry flag value will go to MSB. For example, if carry flag is 1 and AH is 10H. If I say RCR AH, 1, then this bit will go to carry flag. Carry flag value will go to here. So, resulting in this particular value. The application of shift and shift instructions. Let us go for an application of these instructions. Let us suppose that we want to multiply content of AL by 19 using only shift instructions. In that case, 19 is represented as 16 plus 2 plus 1. Why? Because all these numbers 16, 2 and 1 are all powers of 2. Now, I will move a copy, say I want to multiply 4 by 19. I will move it to AL. Same copy I will hold it in BL and also DL. And I will move CL with 4. Now, shift left AL, CL means I am multiplying AL by 16. And shift left BL, 1. I am multiplying BL content by 2. Add AL BL, add AL DL. The final result AL contains the multiplication of AL content into 19. So, this is the application of shift instruction. So, for review, today we have discussed shift instructions, namely SHL, SHR, SAL and SAR, and rotate instructions, namely ROL, ROR, RCL and RCR. Thank you.